can see the S&P is sold off very badly last week. In fact, it is actually officially in the bear market, same as the Wall Street, same as the Dow. So essentially, ladies and gentlemen, what do you do and how do you survive in the bear market? Now, in this video, we're going to share with you our 33 years of experience having navigated the 87 crash, the 89 crash, the 1990 Gulf War, as well as actually the dot-com bubble in 2000, the global financial crisis sell-off in 2007, 2009. Before that, the Asian financial crisis 1997 to 1998, as well as the pandemic COVID-19 sell-off in March of 2002. Okay, so essentially you can see, ladies and gentlemen, that this is the second worst sell-off in the last 12 years. So what does this mean? Okay, first, how will market fall further? Well, generally, when the S&P goes into a negative or bear market, in this chart, you can see that in the last 72 years of S&P since 1950, yes, you can see these are very detailed figures. Yes, because at GCP Global, we compute for you very detailed analysis on all occurrences of the market. You can see in the first column, the number of corrections as defined as when stocks actually fell by more than 10%. We have 25 out of that in the last 72 years. And the bear market is defined as a 20% correction. Now, this is the 8th market correction, therefore, that we are seeing now, as in a bear market condition since 1950. So this has occurred 8 times in the last 72 years. So give or take, it's roughly about 10%. And of course, crisis conditions that we saw in the 70s because of the oil embargo and the Iran gate crisis, as well as the sell-off during the global financial crisis, and we had basically 4 crises. So essentially, what and how does one actually survive the bear market? Now, so if you look at basically this write-up, where we actually have been warning our GCP Global students of this impending market correction since last year. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we prepare you and forewarn you way in advance. So do look at the GCP Global website. You can see and read our article analysis on market corrections, major corrections, and market crisis, and how the smart investor should actually navigate it. Okay, one of the points that we have mentioned in our write-up is that, what you do during market conditions, market corrections, like right now, bear market corrections and sell-off, determine your final wealth. So, ladies and gentlemen, do not be disheartened by all the bear analysis, prognosis that are calling for newer lows. Understand that this is opportunity for you of a lifetime. Okay. And the other point that we have mentioned again in our write-up, that's actually point number 5, is that the price that you pay now actually is the key determinant of your future wealth. So, mind you, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of things are selling at cheap prices. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are in a bear market conditions. So your next question will be, how long will this bear market condition last? In the last 7 market corrections or bear market conditions, it takes, after falling 20% from the high, on an average, the correction lasts 36%. That is roughly, therefore, we still have some downside to go. And if you ask, essentially, how long, after they have fallen by 20%, will it actually hit the bottom? Then essentially there are a few more months for it to go. And that's why you can see, ladies and gentlemen, that come August, which is our next class, our next investment class, that's where we reckon that could be an interesting time to be looking to pick up stocks, when they actually reach bottom, after having warned you to stay out of the market, and be aware of this market correction, the bear market correction. So for those of you who want to find the details and join us for our class, please do sign up at our GCP Global website and join the early bird special. Yes, 13 August is a live class where we will interact with you, take your questions as to
essentially how long will this bear market actually last, how long more the downside will be, essentially learning from the other 7 bear market corrections, what are the characteristics as well as the kind of stocks that will recover first. So this is something that we cover in detail. So hopefully you can join us. And for those of y'all who are actually subscribers to our channel, are looking to subscribe to our channel, do smash the like button and join us again next week for another episode of Real Estate Investment Trust, or the latest contemporary topic on investment, so that you will be able to protect and grow your wealth despite a bear market condition. So as we have mentioned, bear market condition is such that if you're well prepared for it, as what we prepared our GCP Global students, you notice that this is the best option time to be dripping in. How much, at what level, and to what extent, that's something that we cover deeply in our class. So do join us, and hope you like the like our channel and smash the like button and become our esteemed subscriber. Cheers, and see you again next week while we follow the market closely for you.